When a user wants to save their information into a database using a simple web application online, the process involves two main parts, the front end and the back end. The front end is what the user interacts with, and it's typically built using frameworks like React or Angular. Let's break down the steps in a detailed yet easy to understand manner. The first step is to select a framework for building the front end of the web application. Popular choices are React and Angular. If you choose React, you'll be working with three main languages: JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. JavaScript is the programming language that makes web pages interactive. HTML is used for structuring the content on web pages, and CSS is responsible for styling and making web pages look visually appealing. Using JavaScript, HTML, and CSS, you create the user interface, UI, of your web application. This is where users input their information, such as ID, name, and phone number. JavaScript is used to add interactivity to the UI, handling form submissions and user interactions. Moving on to the backend development, the backend is responsible for handling data storage and processing. In this example, we'll focus on using Spring Boot, a framework for Java. To work with Spring Boot, you need to have a basic understanding of the Java programming language. You'll write your Spring Boot code in an integrated development environment, IDE. Two popular choices are IntelliJ IDEA and Eclipse.